Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 80. Get ready for the dictation. Start. I have no wish to impose my views upon the ambassador or to embarrass him by asking for impossible improvements. But it is important I should impress upon him the Chancellor's opinion in the case of those lumber vessels. You will see how imperative it is I should see the ambassador if we are to have any improvement in our relations just now. I desire to discover whether the whaler's story is true or the idle tale of a willful impostor. I shall occupy only a quarter of an hour, and I am sure the ambassador will agree. The importance of the case is well worth the time. Stop. Thank you.